Hi there, so I'm Kristen.
And I am Tina.
And we are back at Pennypack. So let me just see if I can show you this gorgeous space. So we both come back here often and do some hiking and just hanging out in nature. But one thing we want to tell you about today is
Yoga hikes that we do through spring, summer, and fall. We come out here once a week on Saturday mornings, 8 a.m. And it's a way to step back into nature. If you've not been in nature for a while, it's a good introduction back. This space is so welcoming and comforting. It has drawn me back. I found it through yoga, and come join me on Saturdays. You'll really be glad you did.
Yeah, one thing I always hear back here is like either like what fitness level do I have to be in, or do I have to know yoga? The answer to both of those is really just come back as you are. Yoga meets you exactly where you're at, and so does nature. So you get kind of the best of both worlds in terms of yoga plus nature plus Tina guiding you along the way. And really the format is, we bring yoga mats sometimes and find patches of grass.
Yes.
Sometimes there's like these little itty bitty patches down here.
Yes, and we get to touch
We get
them
to touch and feel them. But sometimes it's like this, big epic field that we get to lay in and soak in the sun. So really we go about, say like 2 miles?
Maybe. Sometimes it depends on who comes and what we feel like doing. It's very open to whatever you're feeling that day. So.
And when are the hikes again?
Saturday mornings, 8 a.m. Nice and early. We get out, we greet the animals before they take off for the day.
And it's all by donation, so you can sign up on nourishingstorm.com under events. You'll find, actually no, I think it's under classes. Classes or events, check out both, because there's all kinds of wonderful offerings on the site. So make sure you sign up so Tina knows that you're coming. And we will be here from spring to fall, so we hope to see you at one of the classes soon.
See you with the trees.